world where you are pressurized to be someone else, who will you be? If you were like me, a couple of months back, you were reacting to whatever life threw at you, not taking control of your life or the things that matter to you most. I wanted answers. It's easy to believe something if you've been conditioned to hear that all your life. For me, there is only one way to live, which is to do what society does. Looks like I'm beginning to find answers. If you remember, this is the first letter S. One step can change my life. Or will I remain like 90% of the world that still try to fit in? If you are a person who believes in equality, stand up for it. How many times in your life have you wanted to do something about a situation, but just didn't have the courage? More than half the people in this video didn't try to stop it. But look at this kid. He chose to stand up for what he believes in. How many times have you seen bullying? And how many of those times did you do anything about it? We see them on the bus, train, and public places. This is the first step everyone should take. After a long day at work, I'm heading back home. Not satisfied with how life is, I see something. What I see is my own thoughts judging me, saying that I'm not enough, saying that I'm not worthy of anything. My face is too big, my nose is big. What will your family think of your haircut? How are you going to get the respect of other people? And then suddenly, the next hint appears. The second letter, A, which says, appreciate everything about yourself. Here's how your own thoughts can kill off your self-image if you don't appreciate everything about yourself.
What would happen when I took the paper down? And, oh boy, it was a shock. I took one look at myself and every single negative thought came flooding. Wow, your hair is a mess. That zit is huge. Your head looks way too small for your body right now. Your arms look fat. Who do you think you are? Whoa. Breathe. Ballerina in your music box, forever turning to the same tune. What the week without a mirror gave me was separation from those thoughts.
You are worth it.
My father put his hand on my shoulder at the airport and said, "You're in charge of your family. You take care of your mother and brother now." The fear of feeling anything is, if I start crying, I may never stop. I might just cry and cry and cry.
If I've learned anything, it's that not being yourself is a temporary solution in life. Often the road to being yourself has consequences because you have your own voice. If you're stuck in a similar situation, know that you liking you will lead to others liking you as well. There's a video of a 102 years old who sets a skydiving record. This just shows what humans are capable of. Find yourself, accept yourself, and let the rest take care of itself.